We are looking for real solutions. I think there's complex solutions to this equation, but we are looking for just x real valued, a member of the real numbers. Okay. Now, also a key aspect of this problem is to note that this is kind of a deceptive problem in the sense that 1 raised to any power or any value is equal to 1. All right, so that's a little bit of a ruse there. I guess math is deceptive in many regards. But this is for all x right here, right? No doubt about it. For all x, for all real valued x. Probably all complex also. Now let's get to the solution here. All right, the fact that this is always identically equal to 1, I'll just write this over 1 right here if you want. Superfluous to put the 1 there, but so we just took the reciprocal of both sides. If you have equality of two fractions or rationals, then you have equality of their reciprocals. Now the next step is just to take the log of both sides and take advantage of the fact that if you have a natural log, we could use log base 10 if we wanted, but if you have the natural log of, say, b raised to the m, okay, this follows from a property of exponents, but that means you can drag the exponent around to the front. So you would get, this means the very same thing as m times the natural log of b. Okay? And you can see that's the property that we used on this very next step. So you see the nice thing about that property is it strips it down, so to speak, and it isolates x. And so let's finish this thing off. Natural log of 9 is just a number, right? And so is the natural log of 155, but it happens to be a negative number based on what we know about the graph of the logarithm function. But you can write down x equals to dividing through by ln of 9 without knowing what it really is. So we can write down ln of that very small number. And again, folks, if you're familiar with the graph of logarithm, you know that it's negative to the left of 1. So this is going to be some negative value, which is kind of what you would expect based on the structure of this. Okay, so this is divided by ln 9. Yeah, I think this is, I'm pretty sure, let me look. This is approximately negative 2.3. I just went to the nearest tenth. Okay, so folks, that is the solution. And again, getting a negative value is not unanticipated because remember we also have a result. Anytime you have an exponential equals to a fraction, this result right here comes into play, b raised to the minus m. You don't really need to observe this or know this to solve the problem, but it makes the result believable if you remember this property of exponents right here. Okay, everybody, that's it. Hope you enjoy.